Hi, I'm Sagri, and I'm a community manager for Gmail. What does community manager mean? You're going to know about that soon. But before we get started, I'm going to introduce you to my colleague Abhinav Molly, who's going to start the presentation.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Abhinav. I work with the Gmail account recovery team in Hyderabad. I've been with Google for 2 years. Today's session, as you'll see very soon, is about our Google product forums and the top contributor program. So before I start on with the presentation, let me narrate a small story which happened in 2003. Back in the day when peer-to-peer feedback and online forums were not that popular, Larry Page came up with this interesting solution when we were considering expanding our customer support. Why not have users help other users online about various questions they had about products? You'll find specific product forums according to that product. You might not be able to see, so I'll take you through the product forum a little bit. Right on top, the red button tells you to ask a question, and the blue button is for you to join the forum, and that's when you can participate in various discussions. This specific forum is for YouTube, so you'll find only YouTube-specific questions. For example, how to upload a video, how to view videos, various questions and discussions around them. Who would you expect to see in these forums? You'll see people with a lot of questions, people willing to give feedback about the products, and people just generally talking about the product. You'll also see rising stars and top contributors who my colleague Sagri will speak to you about. And you'll also find us Googlers pitching in whenever we can. Before I hand it off to Sagri, I'd like to leave you with a very favorite XKCD comic of mine. On a much lighter note, the guy here is who we believe are our top contributors. Essentially, they're very passionate about our products. They have a lot of knowledge, and they go that extra mile to take care of the various users on the internet. And that's what makes this program such a great program. And over to Sagri to tell you more about this.
Thanks, Abhinav. So like I was saying, I'm a community manager for Gmail. And now you understand what a community is. So I've been doing this for over 2 years for products like Android Forum, Google+, Orkut, and now Gmail. So if you were to ask me who's the top contributor, what makes a top contributor, I'd say these are some of Google's most passionate users. And they love our products. They know our products in and out. And they're also active on our forums. They genuinely love helping out other users, which is why they take the time to participate in the forums and help out other users. So now there are thousands of users who post in our forums. So how do we pick these top contributors who are the stars? So first of all, we look for users who are most active on the forum. Obviously, that's the biggest sign that they're genuinely interested to post on the forum and through the forum help out other users. Next slide. So when they post on the forum, obviously they have a strong presence among other users. So when you're a product expert, we obviously expect your answers to have great quality. At the same time, we need you to have a friendly and approachable tone towards other users as well. And ultimately, at the end of the day, we want you to believe in our products the way we do. So we want you to have a positive attitude towards Google and believe us. And so once we identify these users who meet these requirements, we sort of gauge if they are ready to become top contributors immediately, or if they need a little bit of help or polishing to get there. So in this intermediate phase, we still recognize them as rising stars on the forum, and we sort of help them improve their knowledge and their quality. And that's when they become TCs. So when they become a top, TC is what we call them like for short. So when they become top contributors, we make them sign a non-disclosure agreement with us. Now this is going to be interesting to you. Next slide. Okay, so what do these top contributors do for us? The most basic thing is obviously they help us reach out to a much wider audience than we could just by ourselves. And considering these are our product experts, their feedback is highly valued by our product teams and our engineering teams. So all the top contributors are a part of a program called the Trusted Tester Program. This is the reason we make them sign a non-disclosure agreement for us. So when we have a major product launch or a feature launch coming up, we release this feature or product to our top contributors first, before it goes out to the wider public launch. This is how we get our bug reports, the feedback, suggestions, and more importantly, we sort of gauge how the public would react to a product launch through our top contributors. So if you want to know what Google is going to come up with, you should become a top contributor soon. And also, our community is a smaller representation of a much wider product user base that we have. So when we see an escalation on the product forum, it sort of is an indication that it could potentially become a widespread problem. So it's like the quickest and easiest way for us to detect a service outage or a bug that could affect a lot of users. So, and considering we have TCs all over the world, we in a way have like a 24-hour coverage on almost all our products. So the TCs do obviously a lot of amazing work for us. So what do we do for them? So this revolves around the core community values of Google. So when we asked the top contributors what your most favorite thing about a TC was, all of them unanimously replied saying it's the interaction we have with Googlers and the knowledge we gain through that. So that's definitely like a top priority for us. So they escalate a lot of issues, bugs, feedback, pass on user reports. So it's kind of our duty to follow up on that and be communicative on that. And at the end of the day, a community ultimately boils down to the relationship you maintain with your users and the rapport you maintain with them. So that's a core point for us as well. So now if you're thinking, okay, the top contributors do so much work for you and invest so much of their time for you, but is this all you do for them? Then think twice, because this is Google. So last year we had a global top contributor summit held at the Google headquarters in Mountain View. So what's so special about this event? We invited all our top contributors from all over the world to the Google headquarters for a 3-day event. Through this event, they got to meet other top contributors, community managers like me, and also the product teams, the engineering teams, and our senior vice president.
This was all expenses paid.
Yes. So the main purpose for us to have this summit was obviously to recognize the amazing work that the TCs do and to let them know that they are valued and they are respected within Google. So what's next for TCs? Yeah, we do have another summit planned for 2013. And apart from just one global summit that's going to happen in Mountain View, we also plan to have local meetups. So we had one in Brazil last month, and we plan to have one in India in Hyderabad this month. And we're inviting all our top contributors to the G-Days event in Hyderabad. And they'll also be spending one day at the Google Hyderabad office. And we intend to stay engaged with our top contributors through not just the forum, but also through hangouts with our engineers, PMs, and whoever is involved in making a product. And so the reason we are presenting about the TC program in G-Days is because ultimately these are users who love our products, who want to know more about our products, and who want to improve their knowledge on Google products. So if you think you're all that, please make sure to check out the TC program website that's going to be up soon. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you. If you have any questions, I'll be sitting right here because I'll be passing it on now to the GDG session.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
All right, we have the next team we're going to present. We're going to continue on the same product. And the team is Chintan, Badri, and Sohan. Can you have a big hand for those three guys out here? We're going to take forward. And right after this, do not forget, we are still on with the G India. With the hashtag G India still on. Keep tweeting, keep on G+, keep posting your pictures. At the end of the day, 4 winners. 4 winners are going to be decided with the best tweet, best retweet, maximum the best picture on G+, and more conversations going on G+ as well. Apart from that, 2 more prizes to be given. I'll tell you what, how, and where. But for now, put your hands together for the 3 gentlemen right here. Give it up.
Good evening, guys. So I hope you all liked today's technical sessions. Yes or no? Yes. So I'm sure you guys want to have more of such technical sessions. So here we are going to give you a introduce you to a group, developer group, wherein we conduct a lot of such events. This morning I attended the hangout session by Ankur and Tony. It was awesome. So we do a lot of such community event, and what Sagri has mentioned, it's more of the features overlap with that, but this is more towards a developer community, wherein we interact more with the developers. So without wasting time, I'll just quickly get started with what GDG is. So GDG stands for Google Developer Groups. It started in Jan 2008 at San Francisco, I think, by Van, and then now it has been it's got rebranded from GTUG to GDG. So any of you who know what is GTUG or GDG is? No, GTUG, GTUG. That is a different one. That is a different one. Yes, yes. How many of you people know here? Anybody? GDG? Come on, nice. No, this is fine. You guys have attended it as a part of a member. Nice. So GTUG stands for Google Technology User Group, and it has been rebranded to GDG. So we have around 95, the GDG is active in 95 countries, and we have around 198 sub-chapters in that. So in India, we have around 16 chapters, very much active, and the nearest, around near Bangalore, we have many chapters like Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, and then Delhi. So all these chapters have a GDG sub-chapter, which conduct many of the technical events. Next. So what is this community? So GDG is a developer community. So here most of the things that we do is towards developer focused. We have meetups on technical sessions, we have hackathons, and then we have a lot of hangout sessions and all. So it's purely, how do I say? It's purely towards the developers and sharing their knowledge among the people who also working on the same technology. So it's a best forum wherein you can share the knowledge that you have and also learn the same thing from the others. Can you go to the next one? Yeah, maybe Chintan can add something.
So I'll just like to add one more thing. We want to stress here more importantly, how many of us here really know what a word community means? Okay, so it's about contribution. What else? Learning, sharing,
yeah,
helping others. Okay, wonderful. So it's like we say in democracy, for the people, by the people, and what's the third one? Of the people, right? So you are awake. So it's exactly the same thing. It's for all of us who are developers, who love technology, who love programming and stuff. So people like you and me gather, talk, share, learn, collaborate. At the same time, it's very important to stress on the last point on the slide saying who we are not. We are not employees or spokesperson or advocates of Google. We are developers. So it's very important to understand even when you talk about GDG or GTalk or who we are. So
we don't represent in any way the community or members does not represent Google in any way, but we work very closely with Google and developer advocates to interact with them and ask them to come and the same hangout that you people saw this afternoon. Similarly, we request them to come and give a talk and address our community so that the members or the developers can make the best use of them. Next. So GDG Bangalore, it started in September 2011. So we have around 500 plus members and we have conducted 9 plus big events. So even the event that we conduct will be more of a what do I say? It will be more of a community-oriented thing wherein we request the community members who are there from long time or who are working in a lot of Google technology. So in our community, in any of the GDG communities, there are a lot of people who are actually working on Google technology, like many of you people are here. So you guys are doing some awesome stuff using Google technology. So it's great to listen from you guys, what you guys are working on. And there are people who are very much interested to know what you guys have done with those technologies. So we request people like you to come forward and give a talk or help people who are struggling on that. So it's more of a platform which connects developers to developers. So we have the recent events that I can mention is we had Dart Hackathon. Dart is a new language that Google has just released, open source technology. So we had a hackathon to give you a brief idea about what happened at the event. So nobody knew what that technology is because it's totally new. So everybody registered and we had around 30 people coming together. And then at the end of the day, we had around 6 to 7 working demos. Nobody has done that technology before, but all these people formed teams together among themselves at the morning, and by evening, they could be able to do some demo. Even it could be a small game, like a tic-tac-toe game. But the framework that those guys used was new. They never used it before. So this is something awesome because they interacted with people of the same mind and all together work as a team and then came up with something which is actually in a working mode. So isn't that awesome? So we had the last big event that we had as part of GDG was DevFest X. So DevFest X is, you can call it as a developer festival. So we had a big event, an entire day event wherein we had many tracks like Google App Engine, Chrome, Android being the most top technologies now. And then we had Chrome. So all these tracks we had at the event, and we invited a lot of speakers from the community. And also we required people from the Google to come at least via Hangout to give a talk and address people and discuss with them what problems they are facing, or at least give a talk on the things that are coming up. So these are the kind of events that we do as part of this group. So what are the next events that we are planning? So the next one is definitely a tech meetup that we are planning in the August. And then after that, we have another DevFest X coming. So how many of you guys here attended the last DevFest X? I have seen few people in the afternoon. Yes, we are planning to have it in the September or the first week of October. So I'm looking forward to have you all guys there. So let me go to the next one. Yeah, we have one more. You guys might be knowing this Bangalore Android user group. So I would like Soham to come join me and give a brief idea about this as well.
So how many of you guys have heard of the Bangalore Android user group or BL Android? Yes, awesome. So just like GDG, right? We are an Android user group which is specific to Android. So we don't cover all the Google technologies. We cover just Android. So we are a 2,000 plus member Android community, the largest Android user group outside the US. And we've started way back in 2009. We have about 18 different meetups. So we meet up once a month. And we also have these awesome hackathons, right? In February, we had one hackathon. We had this hackathon along with 26 other countries at the same time. So if you're interested in attending any such community events or attending these hackathons, presenting your application, some organic applications from India, do come to our website, so bldroid.org. And what's coming up, we have this code lab, which is coming up next week. We also have a hackathon scheduled for September or October, along with the monthly meetup. So in case you're interested in anything related to Android, just go to that website and just register. It's completely free. All of our events are completely free as well.
Okay, so yeah, all these events, whatever we just try to describe, all these events are free. So we don't charge anything for any kind of events. So it's totally an open event. You just need to register and come there and attend and collaborate with other developers. So we have a Facebook page, Google Plus page, all the social things that you can mention, we have a presence there. So so do join us on that. And let us know if you want to give a talk or how you want to get involved in this. You want to add something?
No, I think that's pretty much.
To conclude, what I would like to say is, we as some of the guys are trying to create an environment wherein all of us, including us and everyone, can make the best use of one another who are working on the technologies, which I cannot work on all the technologies, but definitely I would like to know how it is, because I might get an interest and then I can take it further. So we are trying to develop a place, a platform, a community, a developer community focused on technology, wherein we can learn from each other and help each other with the problems that we are facing, or even share the awesome work or the stuff that we guys are doing. So we would like to invite all you guys to come and become part of the community and help us grow. So looking forward to meet all of you guys at our next meet. So that's it. That's from our end. You guys want to add something?
Sure. I would like to add one another just sideline note. Here are our contact details. You can reach to us.
Yeah.
But along with that, I can't stress more than this, that saying we are part of the India's IT capital, Bangalore, and Google being one of the leading technology companies. And some or other way, we do have link towards it. At the same time, we all are passionate about technology, coding something, demonstrating something cool. So let's all connect together, build something really fascinating, learn something that helps improving life of people, improve the ecosystem, and grow. It's all collective. That's what all I can say. We are open for questions if you have any questions for us.
Yeah, in case you have any questions on Android or any of the other technologies, so rather than posting questions on some online forum, you can just get in touch with the group itself. We have a lot of experts on Stack Overflow, on all kinds of forums. So we have experts right here in Bangalore. You can meet them, you can discuss your issues and get them solved organically. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Yeah, big hand. And if you have any questions later as well, they'll be outside at the pod 1. You can contact them. Thank you, sir. Can you have a big hand for the 3 gentlemen here? All right, as I've been telling you, the 4 prizes are going to be decided right after the panel discussion. To make sure the best tweet and retweet, best picture on G+, and the most conversation, the best conversation on G+, is all going to happen. 4 prizes, that's what we're going to give. But for now, we have 2 more prizes to be given. And those 2 prizes are going to be decided on people who had come yesterday. They have a best chance to win this. How many of you all were here yesterday? So you're absolutely out of this game. Keep your hands down. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do is I'll come down. I know the faces who were here yesterday because there are a lot of light. And I'll pick up just 2 and 2. We are running short of time as well. I'm not going to take people who were there yesterday. You were there, absolutely, so you're not going to be in. I said you're not going to be in. Okay, let me put this question forward first. How many of you all are very good in math? Everyone? Very good, I'll get to know now. Okay, how many of you all are good? Forget about your math, man. How many of you all are good in 1 to 20 ka count? That's it. Yeah. Yeah? There, the boy with the wicked smile. Come here. You. See, you know you have a wicked smile. We're looking behind. Nobody else look behind. Get on stage. Okay, 1 and any of the lady? Huh? Anarkaliya. Balcony, okay. Like Anarkali, where did she come from? Balcony, yes. Don't jump, sit. I know India is struggling for medals, but I want you to win a medal here. Okay, why don't, as Anarkali came, why don't we have any Anarkali? I mean, female from top version. Please come. Huh? Vartika? It has both meanings, man. Tamil, it says Varti. Hindi, it says Kya. Varti Kya. Okay, let's have the next person from here. I already have a lady. Not you. Let me go behind. Not you. Who? You can come in. Yes, you. And one more. Quick. Yeah, this side. The ladies are done. Balcony. Come, man. Come. Let's see. Quick. I'm done. Let's see. And we're going to start. Where are the ladies? I called them long back. There. Quick. Run. Show. This is the problem after the fashion movie. Okay. What's your name, ma'am? Divya, okay. Dhara. What's your name? Sandeep. Pranam. Sabko pranam. Okay. As I said, it's going to be 1 to 20. That's it, not more than that. Which is the other language you can count, apart from English? You know, I mean, you're comfortable in. Kannada. Kannadagoskara seat yaru odiyalva ille. Okay, how about you? Hindi. One, I don't want a mixture. Huh? Kannada. Come here. Stand next to her. Kannada. Hindi. Okay, Hindi Gujarati है. One, English के साथ ढोकला और normal Hindi. Okay. And you? हाँ? हाँ? अब बात करना बे. ये क्या हुआ? Okay. And if you have any jokes, please do not hesitate. बोलते जाओ. All right, let's start it. Very good, sir. Thank you. Now I saw you, man, with lot of hair. I was really sarcastic, huh? You have less hair on head. Thank you. Let's start. Okay, we're running short of time. The thing is, it's very simple. You're going to use both your languages and speak out these as quick as possible. Like you said, English and Hindi. English and Hindi. Hindi. Kannada, Kannada. So we have Hindi 1, 2 Hindis and 2 Kannadas. What you have to do is use both the languages and count as quick as possible. The reason we do this is we're going to do this in every city to test how good you are. You're going to speak out 1 in English, 2 in Hindi, or your language, whichever you choose. 3 in English and 4 in your language. 5 in English, 6 in your language. Without any delay, you're going to go as quick as possible, finish it, okay, as quick as possible. Why is the laugh for? Okay, I'll give you a small demo because I know only that language. I don't know other languages well. It's, I can give you an example of Hindi. It goes as, Polama. Video chat, huh? Free net ticket chaka. Okay. A big hand for the man here, come on. He's keeping here. Wadi Pola. Please stand, sir. Stand up! Stand! Where's the man? Thank you. Sit down. See, I made you a hero just within 2 seconds. Sorry? What does that mean? Chalti kya? Not me. That's what he said. All right. Let's start that. Let's start. Got it? It's example. You got to go something. I'm going to give you an example. It goes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Simple. Do it as quick as possible. Your time. Let's start with you. Come. Yes, sir. Thank you. It's a pleasure. Let's start? Okay. I'll hold the mic for you. Look straight. Let's go with 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, no. Stand right there. Quick. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Barappa Shivraj Kumar. Ready? Let's start? Yep. Okay. Let's see how wicked that smile was now. 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
You're the first person to do it so quick. There are people who've done this before, but you've done it really quick. Yes, man. Huttidare Kannada nadu huttirbeku. Let's stand there. Ma'am, you have no choice. You have to complete, but you have to complete it a little faster. Okay? Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
14. Without any doubt, we have our Puneet Rajkumar, Shivraj Kumar, all Rajkumar here. Few mugs on stage, please. First and foremost, we have a special prize for you, a gift hamper from our Google team right here. Can you have a big hand for everyone? And rest of you all, thank you so much for coming. I have one more to be given away. And that is going to be given to the person who is going to throw a challenge. If you don't, what will you give back? That is what we want. Yeah? Good, man. Make him sit in front, no? More of flesh, you're as fair as that anda. You can come a little more fair. We'll have, without these lights only, we'll have light in the audience. Thank you. Anyone? If you can't do, you think we are... Understand. Anyone? Mia. The problem is I'm fasting, man. No problem. Anyone? Dude, I look straight. I hope you got that. Anyone? Come on, quick, we don't have time. Okay, anyone who thinks you can do better than the gentleman? Not better, you're only going to go to that destination, but you're going to go really quick. Sorry? You'll do that? I said, you didn't understand the question, what I said? I said, what if you don't do it? You. First think, then you say, no? Okay, anyone who could do this apart from him? None? You want to do it? Yes, please raise your hands then. Take out from your pockets. Who wants to do it? Put your hand up. Come, man. You're the first one. Okay, we'll do one thing. You come right here. We don't have time for you to walk around and then come in. Which language are you going to go for?
Tamil.
Tamil. Wapa. Rajnikant. Okay, look straight. I'm going to hold the mic for you. Quick. One in English and two in Tamil. 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Can you give him a mic? Okay. A mug, please. Okay. Anyone? Last. Yes, lady. Please, quick, quick, quick. You're the last one. If you do it, you did it. If you didn't, then... Let's go. Which language is this? Kannada. Kannada. Okay. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Okay, let's cut this. I don't think no one's going to do this. Anyone? Not you. I remember your face. I have such good memory. You did it yesterday. As a balcony, it's in women. Who wants to do? You. Come within 30 seconds or else I'm not going to take your time. Starts now. 10. Let him come, let him hear, let him be there, we'll do it. Let's all count together. As soon as he's there, we'll say 4, 3, 2, 1, let him run. Where is he? Where is he? 11, 10, where is he? 12, 10, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come. Come here. Hey, you were there yesterday. Wait, come here. Run from here to there in 4 seconds or else I'll give you punishment. We all counted. Run. Go, man. Come quick. I couldn't see you. You were looking fair in the light there. Okay, let's start with you. Which language are you going to go for? Hindi. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
You think you should give him? Yes? Yes, no, yes. Okay, how many of y'all think we should give him? Just put your hand up. How many of y'all think we shouldn't give him? Mean people, man. Here we go. Can you have a big hand for the last contestant? Thank you so much. You can also go. Thank you.